I guess so. Hey, how's it going? What the heck was that? What was that? Yeah, that was pretty weird. You plan on having anything else? I'm so confused. What was that? What happened? Well, I might have lost my appetite. I was planning on having ramen, but you know, I remember being like you once, young, hungry. What are you talking about? You know, sometimes you just gotta starve, and that's life. Okay, now you're just speaking nonsense. You're just trying to trick me or something. I get it. You don't understand anything. I'm new to you. I'm from the future. The future? Okay, now you're really messing with me. Wait, no, that's not... No, stop. Not this again. How did you guys get here? Am I going to jail? What's happening? It's okay. I'm no one to worry about. I'm just here to ask you how your lunch has been so far. I mean, yeah, lunch has been going good. What is happening? We are nothing to worry about. Trust us. What else are you gonna eat? You can't just go off chips. Well, I got this ramen, I guess. I mean, I was going to... Yeah, whatever. You know you don't need to have it, right? Why? Is it bad for me? Yeah, they have a lot of harmful substances, like, conservatives, you know? You mean preservatives? Sure, buddy. Listen, we're trying to help you. Why the heck did you call him Buddy? I hate being called Buddy. Well, how was I supposed to know that? You're me! What the? What the heck was that? Whatever, we get it. That ramen you wanted? You don't want it. We're trying to make your life a lot easier. You see this? Huh? Not anymore, you don't. My lunch.